ஹாய் ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், எல்லோரும் வணக்கம். வெல்கம் பேக் டு கல்யாணி லைஃப் ஸ்டைல். கல்யாணி பியூட்டிஷியன் அண்ட் மேக்கப் ஆர்டிஸ்ட்டு. ஸோ இப்போ இந்த சேனல் எதை பற்றி பார்க்க போனோம்னா, அட்வான்ஸ் லேயர் கட்டு தான். நான் வந்து கிளாஸுக்கு போயிருந்தேன். ஸோ அதை வந்து வீடியோ எடுத்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து சென்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன், ஷேர் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு வேணும்னா யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தால் கீழே கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், நான் வந்து அதுக்கு வந்து ரிப்ளை பண்ணுறேன். லேயர் கட்டு எப்படி பண்ணுறீங்க? பேக்ல ஃபுல்லா ஸ்ட்ரைட் கட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
அப்புறம் மேல தூக்கி
ஸ்ட்ரைட்
just sliding the hair, eliminating the weight from the hair without reducing the base.
பாருங்க,
3 தான் பிரிச்சுக்கிறாங்க. அந்த இதை வச்சு மாடல் வச்சு எடுக்கிறாங்க.
அது எத்தனை பார்ட்டிஷன் பிடிச்சிருக்காங்க.
See that? So just taking out the excessive weight from the hair. You see my periphery, my weight line is not hampered. You can see that. Same thing I will do on the side.
கையை வந்து இப்படி கிராஸ் ஆகும்.
நான் வெட்டினேன் இந்த காலையில்.
ஆமாம். எப்படி கீழே விட்டுறது, நம்ம வந்து அதுக்கு விரலுக்கு மேலே விட்டுருவோம். அது வந்து போயிடக்கூடாது. வேறு வந்து
I have taken this panel, within this panel in the curve section, what I have done is, I have dragged the hair, added a bit of like graduation in the hair at the graduation level. At the back, I have created a very solid line and I have added some layer to it, just to add some movement in the haircut. And now I'll go and I will work on the panels. Okay?
ஸ்ப்ரே பண்ணுறது, ஹேர் ஸ்ப்ரே பண்ணி வாட்டர்.
இந்த ஸ்ப்ரேயா? தண்ணி இல்லையா அது?
Now you can see that I had guideline already there, so I will redirect that and I will lift it there, and I will do a bit of twist and I will just cut it there. Now what I am going to do is, in the entire panel I am going to do extreme over direction, and every time I will pull the hair here at the top, will twist it, I will see the guideline where the guideline is, and I will just drag and cut. I'll do the same thing on the other side. We call mirroring the panel, mirroring the manner which are going on the other side. Meanwhile, you can just tell some insight of the new dryer what we have.
Thank you so much, Rajesh. So let me brief you a little bit about this new dryer, which you guys have recently launched it. I will not say that we have launched it. Now together we have launched this dryer. This is the most smartest dryer. How many of you use the smartphones? Everyone uses the smartphones these days. Now is the time to use the smart dryers also. So that's the revolution which Mr. Barber wants to bring into India also. So this dryer is the most lightweight dryer. First of all, that's the important thing, because we want our hairdressing to last long. That's the reason we have launched the lightest dryer. And on top of it, we want the different modes of the hairdressing, hair dryer also. Because sometimes we need more heat, less heat. Sometimes we need more heat or less heat. So this dryer gives you that you can use it on a different modes also. Sometimes we want to do the dryer for the babies and we got so scared that how can we use it on the babies. This dryer has a mode where you can use it on the babies for the sensitive scalp, or you can do it manual changes also. You can also do it after spa, or you want to do a speed drying also, so you can do it. On top of it, sometimes you know what happened, that we want to do the cleaning of the dryer also. The hair got stuck in the dryer. So this helps like an auto cleaning function as well. So that's that's what is the difference in the normal traditional dryers and the smart dryer.
Okay. So you have already got the information about the BLDC machine, what are the USB what we have with the BLDC machine, and how it can save your time and the energy. Okay, having said that, now I have already completed the back and the sides, they both are disconnected, only the periphery, only the exterior is connected. Now we will work on this curve section which you can see that it's more like an M shape. Why I'm working with these curves? So that there will be a lot of interlocking between two sections, okay, and you don't have to struggle to get that blended feel. Now I asked her that how long can we create the fringe here. She said somewhere there is like a perfect fringe. So I'm just going to take one section here. We'll twist the hair for my reference somewhere to the chin, because I'm going to cut here, it's going to lift up somewhere there. So you can see that I am just slicing the hair at the graduation level. Why graduation level? Just to have a bit of softness. Every time I'm twisting it, it will give me very seamless kind of layer. Same thing throughout. Every time I'm just taking some hair from the previous section as a reference line. This portion is already done. I will add a bit of layer in it. We'll just slip the hair there. And we'll just do a bit of slicing. So this will give you more like a perfect fringe effect. So I will drag the hair in the center because I want to retain the length. Same thing here. I will repeat the same thing on the other side with the same manner. As you can see that. This particular technique is called slicing technically. We should always focus on the technical word also. So you can see that. So just created this kind of notchy feel in the front. Now only the top portion is left. If you just see, just get a top view. Again, the whole shape is like this. And the sides are into a curve. And the back is into this section. So this is going to create a nice, I would say, graphic feel. When I say graphic feel, like a very concave length in the top. So dragging the hair, everything to the extreme over direction, you can see that. And you just keep slicing it. So once you slice the hair, the blending is like very even. So same thing, so I am pivoting it from there, you can see that. I am pivoting it, dragging everything there, and cutting like a short block. I always suggest that you work with a very fine section to have more clarity what you're doing. So this portion is almost done, and whatever the excessive hair I have left out to my exterior, I am just going to cut it, and just to make it more even. So this portion is already done. I hope you all are liking it, you all are connecting with my technique which I am showing.
ப்ரொஃபஷ்னலாக பண்ணுறாங்க. இப்படி தான் எடுத்து இப்படி தான் பண்ணணும் ஒரு இது இருக்குல்ல.
2000.
That's my reference line. Then you can leave that because you have taken the reference line already. And since you have understood how I'm doing it, so I'm just taking it into 2 to 3 subsections.
உங்களுக்கு 250 ரூபா போட்டு வைப்போம்.
ம்